In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and share multiple Google Calendars effectively, whether you're coordinating with your team, planning family events, or managing projects. Google Calendar is a powerful tool that can help keep everything in order. Let's dive in and explore the steps you'll need to take to set up and share multiple calendars seamlessly. First, you'll want to head over to Google Calendar. You can do this by opening your web browser and typing in calendargoogle.com. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account so you can access and manage your calendars. Once you're on the main page, take a moment to get familiar with the layout if you're not already. Next, locate the option to add a new calendar. On the left side of the screen, you should see the Add Calendar option. Click on it. This is where you begin the process of adding new calendars to better organize different aspects of your schedule or projects. Now click on Create New Calendar. This option should be fairly straightforward to find, and it's your gateway to making a calendar specifically tailored to your needs, whether it's for a work project, a personal schedule, or a club activity. Giving your calendar a unique focus can make management much easier. Once you've selected to create a new calendar, you'll need to name your calendar. Think of a name that's easily recognizable to yourself and others, especially if you're planning to share it. After naming it, hit the Create Calendar button to finalize this part of the process. It's a simple yet important step that lays the foundation for everything that follows. After creating your calendar, navigate back to the main calendar page. You'll see your newly created calendar on the list. Look for the three-dotted icon next to your calendar. This is the entry point for the settings and sharing options, which you'll definitely want to configure to make the most of your new calendar's functionalities. Click on Settings and Sharing. This section allows you to adjust who can access and modify your calendar. Being thorough here ensures that your calendar is shared with the right people and that they have the appropriate levels of access. Finally, find and click on the Shared With section. Here, you can begin to share your calendar with multiple people, enter their emails, decide on their permissions, like viewing or editing, and hit Save. It's as simple as that to keep everyone in the loop, create transparency, and increase productivity across all your ventures. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully created and shared multiple Google Calendars. Master this process and you'll find scheduling and coordination become smoother and more efficient. Thanks for watching and happy scheduling.